Hey guys, I'm Gaj Guru. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you 5 things you should know before buying a new laptop or a PC. So let's start. So whenever this question comes that which laptop is the best? So there's obviously no answer to that question. So here are the 5 things I'm going to tell you should know before buying a new laptop. So before we start, make sure you subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. So your first thing is budget. It's crucial to fix a budget. Without budget, you cannot consider buying a laptop. So before purchasing a laptop, it's crucial to fix a budget. It makes no sense that you are going to see new laptops then then you realize that that laptop is out of your budget. So you should always fix a budget. The second thing is a processor and a RAM. So you should always look for a good processor and good GB of RAM. Well, it depends on your work, but I would prefer a 8 GB RAM of storage and a AMD Ryzen 5 CPU for normal use. And for intermediate use, I would prefer and for professional use, I would prefer AMD Ryzen 9 with 16 GB of RAM. So always remember there are numbers of options available from different brands. So your budget does not I forgot. So your budget does not limit your power to choose. The third thing is size. So most of the laptops come with an 15.6 inch of laptop, and there's also smaller laptops available which are of 14 inch. I personally have this laptop which is over here, which I'm shooting my video in which I'm shooting my video. It's a 14-inch laptop. It's an AMD Ryzen 5 with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The larger display are for the people who want to watch movies and do not travel do not travel more. The the people who want to travel more can consider buying, of course, a 14-inch laptop because it's smaller in size and you can take it anywhere you want. So these were the three things. Then the fourth thing is storage. More the storage, the better. Most of the laptops come with 500 GB and 1 TB of HDD. However, with the advancements of lightweight laptops, which is called SSD, solid state drive, are more popular. The SSD is faster, but it always comes with less memory. So always remember storage before buying a new laptop. So your last and final thing is battery. Without a good battery, your PC is as good as a desktop computer. So you would not rush to the charging socket just after you charge your laptop. So you should always consider buying a good battery. I mean, you should buy a laptop with a good battery. Yeah. Your laptop should at least give a 4 to 6 hours or a 6 to 8 hours of battery life. 8 hours is good, of course. So this much for the video. So thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, like the video, and thank you guys for so much support. I have just recently hit 200 subscribers. I'm currently on 217, I guess. Yeah. So you can also subscribe. You can also follow my Quora space. The link is given in the description. You can also follow my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook accounts. All the links are given in the description. So make sure you subscribe my channel, please, guys. It would mean a lot. So you can also like the video and comment if I missed some things, and comment if you have any problem regarding buying a new laptop or a PC. You can just comment. So thank you guys. Or you can also ask me questions on Quora space using the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.
Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shake it.